In this video, we are going to go over a word problem that exercises you in either multiplication or division, we'll find out, of decimals to solve equations. Let's jump into it. You were told that your cousin worked 26 hours this past week and earned a total of $253.50. We're then asked to create and solve an equation to calculate how much your cousin basically makes or averages making per hour. So this is one of those problems where unfortunately translating it immediately from the words is not an option. We actually have to put ourselves in the context of this problem to figure out how to do this. So first things first, I go to the last sentence and it says that we want to create and solve an equation to calculate how much your cousin averages making per hour. So maybe we'll let x equal the amount made per hour. Just define a variable. So x equals amount, and I'll abbreviate that AMT, made per hour. So this is where we actually need to really think about the situation. If we make a certain amount of money per hour and we work for 26 hours, we would take the amount of money we earn for 1 hour and multiply that by 26. Well, x is the amount that we make in that 1 hour, so we're going to multiply that by 26. And that is why the expression 26 times x, or 26x, will give us the total amount of money that your cousin earned. Wait a second. 26 times x is the total amount of money earned, which is equal to $253.50. So in doing our translation, we actually end up remolding those words to suit our needs to make for an easier translation. Pretty sweet. Now, all that we have left now that we've translated our word problem is to solve a pretty straightforward equation. We're going to undo multiplication by dividing by 26. So I do that on both sides of my equation. From here, we notice that we can divide out 26 by 26. That will give us 1. So we've isolated x, we've done our job. Now we either let a calculator rock this, or you could divide out with long division. I would use a calculator and we get 9.75. And therefore, the amount of money that my cousin averages making per hour is $9.75. So you could write out that full sentence. I'm not going to waste your time watching me write that out, but if you needed to write your full sentence answer, again, it would be my cousin averages $9.75 per hour. That's all, folks. A sweet word problem for some sweet math brains. Go rock some more practice.